उसने बच्चे को आग से बचाया। He rescued the child from the fire. He rescued the child from the fire. तुम आज सुबह यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here this morning? Why did you come here this morning? वह धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगा। He will get better little by little. He will get better little by little. प्लान अब तक कामयाब रहा। The plan has been successful so far. The plan has been successful so far. तुम कॉलेज जाकर क्या करोगे? What are you going to do in college? What are you going to do in college? गांव पर गहरा कोहरा छा गया। A thick mist covered the countryside. A thick mist covered the countryside. रेलगाड़ी में 15 डब्बे हैं। The train is made up of 15 cars. The train is made up of 15 cars. इस साल बहुत बारिश पड़ी है। There is been a lot of rain this year. There is been a lot of rain this year. उसने मुझे एक एहसान मांगा। He asked me if I could do him a favor. He asked me if I could do him a favor. मैं इस विषय से परिचित हूँ। I am well acquainted with the subject. I am well acquainted with the subject. वह अपनी माँ जैसी सुंदर है। She is as beautiful as her mother. She is as beautiful as her mother. इस महीने 2 कत्ल हुए हैं। There were 2 murders this month. There were 2 murders this month. Next sentence है, तुम नाश्ता कितने बजे लोगे? What time will you have breakfast? What time will you have breakfast? अब अगला सेंटेंस देखते हैं। पतंग पेड़ में जाकर अटक गई। The kite got caught in the tree. The kite got caught in the tree. वह हर सुबह अखबार पढ़ता है। He reads the paper every morning. He reads the paper every morning. वह जापान से होकर भारत आया। He went to India by way of Japan. He went to India by way of Japan. लगता है कि तुम भारत के हो। It looks like you are from India. It looks like you are from India. उनकी शादी अगले महीने होगी। They will get married next month. They will get married next month. वह वहाँ उस घर में रहता है। He lives in that house over there. He lives in that house over there. यह उसकी चिट्ठी का जवाब है। It's an answer to her letter. It's an answer to her letter. वह समुद्र की ओर चल रहा था। He was working toward the sea. He was working toward the sea. मेज के नीचे एक बिल्ली है। There is a cat under the desk. There is a cat under the desk. इस डब्बे में 5 सेब हैं। This box contains 5 apples. This box contains 5 apples. आज मेरी बहन का जन्मदिन है। Today is my sister's birthday. Today is my sister's birthday. इस चिड़िया का नाम क्या है? What is the name of this bird? What is the name of this bird? आज मेरा 16वां जन्मदिन है। Today is my 16th birthday. Today is my 16th birthday. इस उपन्यास का लेखक कौन है? Who is the author of the novel? Who is the author of the novel? मुझे बहुत दिलचस्प लगती है। It seems interesting to me. It seems interesting to me. यह गाड़ी इंडिया में बनी थी। This car was made in India. This car was made in India. हमें नहीं पता हम कहाँ हैं। We don't know where we are. We don't know where we are. मैंने उसे 3 बार देखा है। I have seen her 3 times. आई हैव सीन हर 3 times. वो देर से उठता है. He is a late riser. He is a late riser. जाकर ले आओ. Go and get it. Go and get it. पहली नजर में. At first sight. At first sight. मुझे सुसु आई है. I need to pee. I need to pee. मुझे भूतों से डर लगता है. I am afraid of ghost. I am afraid of ghost. आपका क्या सुझाव है? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? अगला सेंटेंस है. क्या दुल्हा डॉक्टर है? Is the groom a doctor? Is the groom a doctor? बच्चों को तंग मत करो. Don't tease the children. Don't tease the children.